Hi, Elton Williams of Smith & Williams Personal Injury Lawyers. I want to talk to you briefly about people who are hurt on the job and they have a job that requires them to drive. So they're driving a vehicle for purposes of work, and while doing that, they get in an accident that is not their fault. So that, in fact, you have two claims. This is a so-called third-party liability claim, as we name it in the law. If, for example, you drive for a living, you are a commercial driver, you have a CDL, or maybe you're a delivery person for a pharmacy or a florist, and if, for example, you're stopped at a red light while you're delivering flowers or medicines and you're rear-ended, you, of course, have a claim against the vehicle that hit you through their insurance company. But importantly, at the same time, you also have a workers' compensation claim. So you kind of get the two claims in one. And it's important that you engage the services of a personal injury lawyer who has expertise in handling both claims, because there are rights and responsibilities that mesh, that overlap. The goal when you have these two claims, motor vehicle bodily injury claim and a workers' compensation claim, the goal is for you to be compensated on both claims, for you to be paid twice for that one injury. That goal is a bit of a challenge because the law takes the position that we should not be paid twice for one injury. However, if you do have a combination workers' comp and auto accident claim, there are ways to handle those claims and navigate them in such a way so that you are fully compensated under workers' compensation law for your workers' comp on the job injury, and at the same time, you are also going to receive a settlement against the other car's insurance company for causing the accident for their negligence. They don't get off scot-free. You don't want two lawyers. You're going to have one lawyer handle both claims, a lawyer who's experienced in personal injury and workers' comp. We do both at the Smith & Williams Personal Injury Attorney's Office. If you have questions about it or you've been in a situation like that and need help, please use the contact information in the video to reach out to me so that I can answer your questions. I'm Elton Williams of Smith & Williams Personal Injury Attorneys, and thank you as always for spending this time with me.